In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and attachments in Google Meet. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or in the middle of one, being able to share your files efficiently can make everything run much smoother. Let's dive right into it and take a closer look at this straightforward process. To begin, head over to Google Calendar. This is your central hub for organizing and scheduling your meetings. Once you're on Google Calendar, you'll want to create a new meeting. You can do this by clicking on the desired date and time slot when you expect your meeting to happen. This step is crucial because in Google's ecosystem, meetings are not necessarily impromptu. They're usually planned ahead in Calendar. After you've decided on a date and time for your meeting, type in an appropriate title for your meeting. It's a good idea to choose a title that clearly reflects the content or purpose of the meeting. This will make it easier for everyone invited to know what to expect. Next, look for the Add Attachment option. This feature is fantastic for ensuring that all the necessary documents are readily available for the meeting. With this, you eliminate the need to fumble around looking for files during the actual meeting time. Once you've clicked on Add Attachment, a prompt will appear, directing you to Google Drive. Here, you can access all the documents you have on Drive. Choose a file that you wish to share. Selecting the right file beforehand makes this step quicker and more organized. After selecting your file, the next step is to click on Insert. This action attaches your chosen document to the Google Calendar event, ensuring it will be available for everyone involved in the meeting. Now, it's time to add the attendees. Select the people you want to invite to the meeting. You'll need their email addresses for this step. Once you've chosen your invitees, hit Save. Following that, a pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to send invitations to the attendees. Click Send to inform them about the meeting and provide access to the attached documents. One critical aspect before saving the event is setting file access rights for the attendees. This ensures they can view, comment, or edit the document as needed. Being mindful of these permissions is crucial for collaboration and information security. Finally, click Save Event. Now the Google Calendar event is prepared and the files are attached. When it's time for the actual meeting, simply access the meeting through Google Calendar and click Join Now. During the meeting, you can share more context by clicking Meeting Details to view or discuss the attached file. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share files and attachments in Google Meet, creating a seamless meeting experience for everyone involved. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time.